Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I just walked you guys through how I water my hair. Typically I'm supposed to do this like every other day or every 2 days. That's about how long my hair will hold in the moisture. It's only 2 days, like only about 2 days. So then after I finish watering my hair, I just go ahead and wrap it up with a white fabric or white cotton scarf, and then I just leave it like that, or I wrap it with another wrap on top. My hair is almost always under a wrap, so I'm not really worried about like when I water my hair and it gets like frizzy and I have to like retwist my edges there. I don't worry about all that. I just water my hair and then I wrap it up, and then I like go on about my business. And yeah, so pretty much in this video I'm just going to show you guys the products that I apply, or the water and the oils that I apply to my hair to water them and to keep them moisturized, like every other day. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching. Bye.
First things first, I know what I deserve. I'm aware of my worth. I know that I have been hurt. I know that I've tasted the dirt. Watch how I learn, watch how I turn pain into gains, racial serenity. You gon' remember me, I'll be remembering. Thought that we live long enough to see me defeat all of my enemies. Bruce Lee said be like water. I swear that's all I'ma do. I am fire inside water. You can see my soul shine true. Children of the sun like water, but we gotta keep it fuego too. Bruce Lee said be like water. Water with fire in it, how about you? Shine, get the glow to the vibe. Hit them like boom. Lines pour for our woes. Lines close for our foes. Wow. We don't care what people say. They gon' believe what they want. They gon' believe what they want. They gon' believe what they want. We don't care what people say. They gon' believe what they want. They gon' believe what they want. Just don't let them lead y'all astray. We don't care what people say. They gon' believe what they want. They gon' believe what they want. They gon' believe what they want. Still fuck what a hater say. Y'all can believe what y'all want. Y'all can believe what y'all want. So get the fuck out my face. Get the fuck out my way. Get the fuck out my way. Riding the ancestors' way. Following the Most High's way. Dear the Most High, please watch over my kinfolk. All we need to make it out of here is our 10 toes. And if we ain't got 10 toes, we'll crutch out this bitch and we'll roll. Type of will power that'll impress them like they Flintstones. Cowabunga, turtle power, I move at my own pace. Because you get out of your bed don't even mean y'all awake. Clarity, daily, illuminated mind state. Flipping through the dark times, reading about brighter days. And now slow down. Nature takes her time to grow, and I like her style. I might bite her style, cause I was wildin' out. They thought I would end up on Rikers out. Feeling awesome now, stronger, faster, smarter now. Stand up, I can't let y'all sit down. Hands up, this some spirit bomb shit now. I know what I deserve, I'm aware of my worth. I know that I have been hurt, I know that I've tasted the dirt. I know that your scouter is about to burst. 9,000 motherfucker Kaioken. Jump up, this spirit bomb. Throw up, blast haters like we supposed. We don't care what people say. They gon' believe what they want. They gon' believe what they want. They gon' believe what they want. We don't care what people say. They gon' believe what they want. They gon' believe what they want. Just don't let them lead y'all astray. We don't care what people say. They gon' believe what they want. They gon' believe what they want. They gon' believe what they want. Still fuck what a hater say. Y'all can believe what y'all want. Y'all can believe what y'all want. Life is good for those who rebuke this weak shit. Love is love, but love 24/7 non-stop all day. Album is on the way, the SoundCloud was foreplay. Wordplay has always been the forte. Straight fire right now, imagine when he turned 40. False MCs got no amore. Me and the mic is like Topanga and Corey. Sun meets world, the core blaze with more rays. Been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. It's all love even when I'm shortchanged, cause I've been So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. I've been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. I've been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. It's all love even when I'm shortchanged, cause I've been So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. I've been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. I've been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. Man, we isn't informed, no vision at all. Subtilized vision, toss my shit out on the porch. For a base that's a come up, but for us that's a one up. On Satan, word up, it can no longer serve us. I'm a on a mountain conducting. I'm just in conjunction with 9 sons instructions. Johnny switches sides, yo fuck them. See the 13 love logo, know you can trust them. Build faster than Trump's as well. The trumpet's blown, we coming home. Players just come and go, leaving moms alone. One hit wonders don't bear fruit, but with these roots, son, one to grow. With one tongue or more, just trust the glow. We touch your soul, watch us rise from under roll. Walking dead ass, your talk is head ass. We stuck to our own lane, then just sped past. It's all love even when I'm shortchanged, cause I've been So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. I've been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. I've been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. It's all love even when I'm shortchanged, cause I've been So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. I've been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. I've been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. Extra time spent with the umbilical cord. Late bloom, so his mind came equipped with the force. Water stream from the source, you've seen this before. Him in the mic like Kakarot with a spiritual bond. Son on a mission and he spit with the cause. He rapping Queens like Sister Sword. He remember what's raw and embodied it all. Pump it out of his heart, never forgotten and lost. We organic, not corporate, more soul than Jordans. They turn the culture to a store, we restore the culture. Since the eclipse, the aura make the lawless organs fill out of proportion as we approach them. We harvest raw things, bring heat after August and before spring. Lyrical swordsman who swing at Judas offspring. No matter when I am, these snakes are a sure thing. Sure thing. Ain't shit change. Ancient souls versus these ain't shit lames. Starseeds weird as fuck, Nick Doc strange, not strange. What they do is acting. What SunSun do is an octane, nigga. It's all love even when I'm shortchanged, cause I've been So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. I've been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. I've been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. It's all love even when I'm shortchanged, cause I've been So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. I've been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. I've been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. Healing fire. SunSun. 24/7 non-stop all day. Album is on the way, the SoundCloud was foreplay. Wordplay has always been the forte. Straight fire right now, imagine when he turned 40. False MCs got no amore. Me and the mic is like Topanga and Corey. Sun meets world, the core blaze with more rays. Been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. It's all love even when I'm shortchanged, cause I've been So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. I've been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. I've been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. It's all love even when I'm shortchanged, cause I've been So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. I've been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. I've been no So Fo Sho since I was a shorty. Man, we isn't informed, no vision at all. Subtilized vision, toss my shit out on the porch. For a base that's a come up, but for us that's a one. I'm on a mountain conducting. I'm just.
Okay, so here is just kind of like a close-up of my hair after it's all moisturized. And then, like I said in the beginning of the video, after I finished moisturizing my hair, oh, I wasn't looking at the camera, sorry. After I moisturized my hair, this is my oil or like water wrap. So it's like super dingy from all the different oils and stuff that I have on it. I got it at Walmart for $5 because it was like $5 is $1 a yard basically for the whole pack of fabric. So I just cut some off and then I'll wrap it on my hair when I'm done. That way I don't have to dirty up the rest of the fabric. I can just have this designated wrap. And it's hiding here, so I'm sweating, y'all. And I'm still not looking at the camera, I'm getting the hang of it. But yeah, so then I just wrap my hair up in this. And if I'm not going anywhere, then this is all I'm doing. I'll just leave it like this, how it is. And if I do go somewhere, if I do decide to go somewhere, then I'll just throw on another scarf on top of it. So my dingy white scarf. Is that exposed? I'm sorry I'm not looking at the camera. I'm trying to remember. I'm not doing a perfect wrap. I'm just doing something real quick just to show y'all what I do. And that's it. I could do a more intricate wrap if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. So yeah, you just wrap it with the white head wrap underneath to kind of keep your hair moisturized and prevent the oil from like slipping down on your forehead and everything like that. And then the wrap on top to cover it if you go out. So that's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys again for joining me. Sorry for not looking in the camera. Have a good day.